Okay, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Just 14 days left to go until Excel 2007 hits store shelves. Today's a 2007 Tuesday. Continue to talk about some of the new table functionality. Last two 2007 podcasts on last Tuesday and Thursday showed you how to set up a table and how to do some formatting tricks. The really amazing thing about the new table functionality is how it handles formulas. One of the big problems that we can have with a formula is that sometimes if you have 5,000 rows of data somewhere, someone has screwed up a formula down in row 4,200 and you'll never ever find that there's an error down there. I have a table set up here with data in columns A, B, C, and D. If I add a new column called profit, I'll put the heading in cell E1, it automatically extends my table. Now watch this when I enter the formula. I'm going to use sales minus cost of goods sold. So I type the equal sign, click on the sales button, type the minus, click on cost of goods sold, and Excel has built a completely different formula than anything we've ever seen. The formula is equal table 2, and then in square brackets, this row sales, minus table 2, in square brackets, this row cost of goods sold. That's the new table nomenclature when you're building formulas. So I will hit enter to accept this formula, and Excel automatically copies the formula down to all of the rows in the table. I don't have to copy the formula. I don't have to worry about one formula becoming different than any of the others. Now, what if you actually have a situation where you need a formula to be different? You can use the AutoCorrect button here and say, hey, undo the calculated column, or simply just entering a different formula, let's say in cell 3, will turn off that functionality. But I think it's a great functionality. I'm going to use it most of the time. Now, if you come completely outside of the table and you start to point at cells in the table, for example, I'll use this sales minus the previous sales. Excel just goes ahead and builds the normal formula as usual, C4 minus C3. So the old formulas still work, it's just that you now have the ability to go through and create these new formulas that will be automatically copied down to all of the rows in the table. No more need to double click the fill handle or grab the fill handle and drag. When you define a table, Excel will automatically copy that formula down to all of your rows. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.